Today, we proudly join the nation in celebrating Spiritual Baptist Liberation Day, a powerful reminder of resilience, faith, and freedom. This day honors the rich cultural and spiritual heritage of the Spiritual Baptist community, whose journey has shaped the diverse tapestry of Trinidad and Tobago. As Secretary in the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, I encourage all citizens and visitors alike to embrace the beauty of our traditions and the strength of our people. Happy Spiritual Baptist Liberation Day.